I wasn't really sure what to expect. I dabbled with a bit of yoga, probably after my last trip to Afghanistan, and that was really for my back injury, just trying to find anything, or search of anything back then for some relief. I didn't really know what to expect here at all. I was open-minded to it. I was a bit of a karate kid, kung fu kid when I was little, and I guess I was always open to any sort of Eastern medicine or ideas. And really, family was begging me to try something, so I thought I'd better give anything a go. No, not really. Maybe from talking to you, I've often had trouble sleeping. I was self-medicating a lot, and I was just praying for, to be able to just get a good night's sleep without alcohol to get me through, I guess. Yeah. It was just becoming way too big a part of my life. And I was even just asleep properly, so so far so good. Yeah. I feel good all through. For someone who hasn't trained properly for 7 or 8 years, and it's only sort of qigong, but muscles, everything. I went through the soreness at the start, but everything just feels good. I feel stronger, much healthier now, I guess. So I'm ready to continue and try anything that's next now. Incredible highs and lows, emotional highs and lows. I guess I wasn't ready for. I've seen other guys get emotional, like crying wise and things. I experienced a bit of anger coming out. I guess it's uncontrollable, and I didn't realise at the time. I think Master Yang was expecting those things. He was expecting that anger to come up. I wasn't expecting my emotions to be triggered the way they were just yesterday. Just incredible sadness. I don't know how to explain it. Just the loss of friends, and I guess might have been the trigger. But it all just came boiling to the surface, and just could not control it. Just came flooding out. Somehow over the next 20 minutes started to hold it together, and I just kept back into the practice, and finally came out on high again at the end. I won't forget that one, that's for sure. Yeah. So, but like, there's incredible highs and lows all the way through it, but that was like just a huge weight off my shoulders. Yeah. Really needed that one. So yeah, it's been better than I expected anyway. Yeah. So. It's quite a physical activity that I'm doing out in the farm now too, as a stockman, with a progeny test herd of cattle. And with the calving time, which it is now, I'm very busy. But I think it's just, I'm going to just get up earlier in the frost and just go for it. It's given me enough now to really want to go on with it anyway. I'm just going to have to, whether it's clearing a spot in the shed. I live quite remotely up in the bush, and I've already pitched. I've got some beautiful spots to just sit and experience that, I guess, the bush, the nature, and to put me right in that zone. I can't wait for the springtime to come so I can do that. But I think my family's going to be pretty grateful if I do continue it. And I think Master Yang's helped me a lot with some moves and how to teach the rest of my family to go on with it as well. So, and they're keen to hear, so I'm looking forward to showing them. So with their support, I'm sure I'll be able to keep going. Yeah. So.